unboxing and reviewing
and challenging.
We're not doing a challenge. We are unboxing and reviewing
Puppy Surprise.
We already did Puppy Surprise. We Little Life Pets Tiara, my dream puppy. Actually is my dream puppy because she's got pink ears.
No, she's my dream puppy. Both of our dream puppy.
Yes. You. And these are all the details of her.
Yay!
It says, "Try me, press my nose." If I press the nose. And she's so cute. Look at that.
Wait, guys, we got her from the pet shop and we named her Tiara and we got to Little Life Pets.
We did not. She's fake.
Oh, and you might be wondering.
So and it says, "My eyes close when I sleep and my tummy moves when I breathe.
And also,
feed me my puppy a rat." Oh, that's one way to do it. It says, "I open and close my eyes."
Okay, now we do this. And move my head like a real puppet.
Tickle me, I get happy.
Give me kisses and kiss you back.
Feed me my bottle when I'm thirsty.
My tummy moves when I breathe.
Literally no. And it says includes adoption certificate, like we did on Build a Bear. We got a certificate for our Honey Girls teddy bear.
And
if you haven't seen that, subscribe, like, and comment, and view it as well.
Wait, it says meet Tiara, your dream puppy. Tiara is no mess pup who loves to be loved. Tiara must move, feel and respond just like a real puppy does. With a pat of the head, a rub on the tummy, Tiara believes in different ways, realistic and fully enchanted. And Tiara needs a best friend like you. Thank you, Tiara. You're so kind.
Is she going to be your best friend?
She's mine. Come on. Oh yeah. And she
makes cute puppy sounds.
She has 6 play modes and 35 plus puppy sounds. Care for me, I'm just like a real puppy.
And we got 60 scissors.
That's little. And here it says the internet code, and it's got download the free app. And speaking of the app,
we got one here.
So this is the app here.
Her password is
Live Pets.
Her password.
Oh my God! What was that? Oh, I'm gonna look it down a bit.
She got it.
Here's a bit. If you press play here, play the new puppy. Okay then.
Play. Did you say?
When you create your new account,
Yes.
you create your account.
Yes. Hello there. What's your name gonna be?
I'm gonna put Shall.
Shall.
Then I put there, and then you get little pet. Welcome to Little Pets, and hello, please adopt me.
And also you can pick.
You have lots to choose from. You have lots and lots to choose from. So I'm going to. That's so cute. Actually, guys, in the comments down below, tell me which one to pick. What should I have for my little pet?
A puppy.
bird, turtle, a cat, a dog, a bird, a frog, or a mouse. Please let me know down in the comments below, and I will get my special mystery pet. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's get unboxing.
That puppy is so good. And if you had the puppy, let us know in the comments down below. And that's pretty much that I had to say. So.
Hi guys, so now we are going to write on our adoption certificate.
I know it helps if that we get it's still here, but we don't know.
Nope. And I wrote the name of a puppy, Tiara. Should she have a second name?
Tiara Zawa.
No way. So, day of adoption, what day is it today?
It's the
I think it's the
2nd
of April. So is it 2nd or 4 or 2nd or 3?
2nd of 4,
2nd,
2018.
4, 18. Got it.
I,
Shal and Za.
I'm going to dive.
I shall promise to always give you love and care, millions of colours for us to share. Feed and play with you every day, make a loving home where you can stay. Signed by Shalina.
And me.
No, you're not part of this. Shall. Date. Oh yeah.
Shell. I'm going to do mine.
2018. Alright, so here is Shal and Shal. Alright, now we've signed our adoption certificate. We can now put that aside. And now in the box, finally Tiara. The moment I've been waiting. The moment I've been waiting for.
Wait, you need the pen.
Why? Oh, we can do it when we get it out. Okay, let's slip this open. Guys, look at this, look at this. Is she awake? Got sellotape on her hair.
Oh, I think she's sleeping.
She's breathing.
Oh.
She's breathing, this is so cute.
Oh, can we see that?
Yeah.
How she's breathing?
Oh, she's sleeping again.
She only
Go to bed.
You just show it breathing, don't you? On the side, yeah.
Hey, daughter.
See?
Well, oh yeah, it's like a...
She's so cute. Alright, let's wake her up. Oh, she's throwing it. And she sits up and she tilts her head. Look at her move it. Side to side.
I like to move it,
Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it. And she agrees too. So that's what he said. Feed her bottle.
Oh yeah, she's doing a gulping sound, like she's feeding. That's the second one, isn't it?
Yeah, what's the third one? I'm going to need this.
She's sleepy, guys.
I open and close my eyes and move my head when no she moves her head. Give me kisses. Give it a kiss, Sarah. She'll kiss you back.
She don't wake it up.
Oh my God, are you alive? Give it a kiss. Show it in front of the camera. Like do sideways, yeah. Now kiss her. Kiss her. Do it again. Yeah, she's doing it, but your face is not next to her. See?
How do you do the kissing? Let's see if Shal can do it.
No. Okay, I'll Worst idea ever. We try to tickle her tummy. Tickle her tummy, which makes her happy.
You're tickling her tummy?
This makes her sad. Can we stand her up?
No.
No.
She's a lazy dog.
We've done it all.
Oh, she needs water.
This is quick. Oh yes, and she's got a little tag name, so we can put a name in. My name is Shell.
Okay, I can feel it.
Can you feel it?
Yeah, she did it.
Did she move her head side to side? Has she done that one?
When she licks on me, she kisses you.
Don't move.
Oh, she's so cute. I want one now.
I want a little like birthday.
Not happening. It's just dark.
Oh, you should have done it.
Alright guys, we've done it all, so I think it's time to...
Shh, she's sleeping.
I'm nothing in it.
Did you just thought you were going to have milk in a bottle?
Yeah, why not? Drink up, little pup. Drink up. Let's see. Drink. She's drinking.
Should we just have a...
She's drinking. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of Tiara.
Can I hold her?
Of Tiara. Of Tiara, little life pet. If any questions about her, please let us know in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions as well, please let us also know. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and
comment.
yeah, and comment and view, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Bye. Oh yes, and also we have a new Instagram page. Check that out. Right, it's gonna be down in the link below. So yeah, see you guys.